So we're going to start off by just accessing Google Slides. So when you get to Google, you're going to sign in with your PGS account. So I'm signed in here as myself. And then when you go to your Google Apps, you're going to choose Slides. Today we're going to start with a blank presentation. So you're going to click on the plus button where it says blank. And here you'll see that if you've ever used PowerPoint before, it looks very similar, and it's just as easy to use, if not easier. So the difference between PowerPoint and Slides is that it's actually really easy to save your presentation. So up here where it says Untitled Presentation, that's where you're going to title your slide. I'll title ours Google Slides for today, and there you'll see that it has saved my document as Google Slides. Next to the presentation name, you'll see a little folder, and if you like to keep all of your slides and your documents organized within Google, then what you can do is here's your drive. If you click on that folder, you could move this slides presentation into a different folder by clicking on the folder and clicking move here, and that way you're already keeping things nice and organized, or if you're making something totally new up, you could create a new folder right from here. The first thing we're going to do to our actual slides presentation is we're going to scroll through the themes that Google already has here for us, and we're going to choose one for our presentation today. I'll choose this one. And you'll see that it already goes in and adds this for you. So we're going to go ahead and click to add some text. So just like in PowerPoint, you just click to add your title. You can click to add your subtitle, and there you go. You've already created your first slide with one of the cool themes that Google already has embedded. Now you're ready to go in and add yourself another slide in your presentation. So in your top left-hand corner, there's a plus where you can add a new slide, and then there is a drop-down menu where you can see the different layouts of the slides that are in this theme. So I'm going to click one and choose title and body because I'm ready to add some text. I'm going to add my title. If I want to add some text or some bulleted points, I would do it down here. If you wanted to get rid of this themes box on the right, you'll see that your other menu bar comes back up where you can make a bulleted list, just like you would in PowerPoint. So that's how you can easily add text into your slides presentation. Alright, now we are ready to add an image to our slide. So we're going to go to the Insert tab. We're going to choose Image. And you'll see you have different options here of how to add an image, but we're going to search the web. And we're going to look for one for, let's just say, Google Slides. And here's a good image that depicts Google Slides. I'm going to click on it once. I'm going to click Insert. And it's going to add it into my slides presentation. Google Slides has an option called Explore over here in the corner that if you click on that, then it chooses some cool layouts that will make your presentation look really visually appealing. So now we're going to move into adding in a video. So I'm going to add my new slide in. I'm going to click on the Insert tab, Video. And here there are 3 ways that you can add a video in. You can search YouTube, and it's going to directly link in with a YouTube video. If you already have a URL to a video, you can click on there. Or if you already have a video in your Google Drive, you can click here and add one straight from your drive. I'm going to show you how to search YouTube. So I've already typed in Google Slides, and then you would press the search bar. And here you'll see all of the YouTube videos that it pulls up for you. You would choose the one that you want, and you would click select. It's going to highlight it in blue. And there you go. You've got yourself a YouTube video already added into your Google slide. Some formatting options already come up for you on the right-hand menu. So you can say that you want it to autoplay when you're presenting. This way, when you're going through your Google Slides presentation, when you get to this slide, it automatically begins to play for you. You can also choose when to start and end it. And then there's some other settings that you can choose down here with the formatting of your video. So now we're ready to present our Google slide presentation. We're going to click over here where it says Present. present from beginning. And here we go.
Welcome to my tutorial on Google Slides.
If you are presenting your presentation live, you can also share your presentation by clicking on the Share button. There are two ways to share. You can either share with people with their direct email addresses by typing their email address here. You would want to change the editing, commenting, or viewing rights depending on what you want others to be able to do with your presentation. You can also copy a link, and again, think about how you want your users to be able to use this. So do you want them to be able to view it? Do you want it anyone with a link, only at our PGS accounts, or anywhere on the web? And then think about how you want them to use your slides presentation. So if you're sharing with students, you would probably just say can view, unless you're adding in something that you want them to edit. You would click save. You would copy this link. And then this is what you would go and paste wherever you'd like to share this presentation with people.